Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. It is hump day through the week. What's so exciting, guys, we had our first live trading session yesterday with Ron. That went incredibly well. He's just an amazing, well-spoken, educated individual that just gives so much education to people. And I'm so glad to have launched that yesterday. Guys, I'll go over that in a moment, but let's look at a live look at the charts right now. Right now, I'm jumping on. It is 8 o'clock exactly. I did not end up getting into this sell signal right here. I do actually think this could potentially go a bit further. Support's not even down here until a little bit closer to around this 19,442.50 area. So is there room to breathe to actually come down? Yeah, and I actually might look at entering in on this just to scalp out a quick little profit here to show you guys that. But if we were to go over a couple of the trades so far, what is great about this buy signal here? What's so good is you had all your metrics in line. If you're going to buy signal like this and you have your triple G's, this means you have a strong bullish candle. Let's go and zoom this in for a little bit. Let's make this a really good educational video. So with these metrics, you're getting your first bullish candle. Great. That's number one. The background's green. That's number two. Profit wave is green. Take it one step further. Is money flowing back into the market and stepping up? Yeah, that's actually really good. So here's your entry. Max potential profit, of course, comes up here of 33 points. Just fall in love with 10 points. 10 points with 5 micros over 5 accounts is $500. Well, there's a winning trade. Let's go over, another winning trade here. If you guys look back at your charts here, this is going to be at 731. Entry, where do you put your entry? Right at this area, play it down. That's 68 points. You can do something very simple as a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Where do you put your stop loss? Always know where your stop loss is. Entry, stop loss, take profit, draw it down. Because this is exactly what I teach in my one-on-one trainings and also what we're going over in the live training. Another one here. I end up actually just missing this. But guys, look at this. It just played out again right here in front of you. Sell signal, entry, stop loss, profit target, actually end up hitting and actually going down even further right now. Amazing trade. So those 3 to 3 back to back, just right there. And if I had entered on this trade here, this would have been up in profit. Could have closed it out right here in front of you and actually made some money on the day, which would have been amazing. But guys, I didn't end up getting on that. I like to show you guys live trades when I initially enter and I go through and I exit with these. So I also want to just give a shout out real quick. We had a couple more people end up passing their prop firm accounts. Just big congratulations. Matthew, congratulations on passing your prop firm account with Take Profit Trader. I am so proud of you for sticking with this and just being consistent. Corey as well. Corey, congratulations to you. It's just incredible to see how many people every week I get the blessing to be able to say, you are doing amazing and congratulations to getting to a pro account status with Take Profit, because it's just so encouraging to know that what you're seeing here, the metrics that have been created. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Justin. I'm the founder of Simple Market Metrics and My Future Success. And, just recently partnering with Ron to give you guys literally 2 live, very great educational live training environments twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. So you guys, I do want to look and see if I can get a trade in over here. But just real quick, if you guys are new to this, this is the training. You guys, all of this is available in the description below this video. And I want to be able to help you guys out as much as possible. I have decided to extend this a little bit longer for individuals to be able to jump on at this discounted price for you guys to get on. Have an amazing time. And then also for the metrics, guys, never pay for upgrades, never pay for monthly fees on these indicators. These are literally a one-time access, and every upgrade that I do is going to be completely free. There's so many people that have already passed 550K accounts with these. If you're someone who wants a little bit more of a one-on-one sit down with the founder, with myself to go over your charts, guys, you can do that as well. Just having a really good time. Here's a great review. Justin is the most genuine person on the planet. These metrics simply work. Couple this indicator with discipline and you are guaranteed to win. Triple R, triple G with the MA filter is a gold mine. Carrie, thank you so much for writing that review. And thank you so much for everyone else who's actually gone on here as well and left many 5-star reviews with this. What Carrie's talking about is exactly this. When you guys grab these metrics, I want you to do this. Go to your settings, put the MA filter on, put the chop filter off. What is that going to do? It's going to give you these signals that are going to populate. And you can see that this morning and look back at your charts with literally within a one-click system. This is Tradingview, on, off. That's it. One click gives you everything. It's going to tell you the time frame, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute. Is your candle on all those time frames bullish or bearish like this? Is your background red or green? Is your profit wave bearish? If all of this is in line, this is where you can just hold trades longer and longer to the downside. right? We don't need 3 different screens to be populated anymore, where all of it is actually displayed in a nice, easy to read dashboard. And when you have simpler things like this, and you can overall understand something just as simple as, all right, well, look at this histogram down here, right? So if this changes all to red, could you not technically enter in on a position right here and then play this all the way down until you either get an inverse candle, worst case scenario, making 54 points on this trade? That's what a lot of people are doing, right here too. When did this all switch over to red? Right at this area. Well, okay, go ahead and enter in. Has it switched back to green at all? No, it actually hasn't switched back to green at all. So there's so many ways to use this. Now, I could probably come up with a couple handful ways to use these metrics. Is there a one set of rules and system that fits every trader? No. And that's what's so much fun with this. Pick a strategy that you like to work with and just run with that. Not for a week, not for 2 weeks. Run with it for a month and see how successful you can actually be with it. I would highly suggest, if you're new to these metrics and new to this system, use the filter of the MA filter turned on, the chop filter off, because technically what it's doing is it's just going to give you the best signals. It's going to give you the best trending signals in the market. And right now, from the sweet spot of getting up, I like to wait that first hour to hour and a half. These are 3 for 3 winning trades right here. Like every single one of these ended up winning and panning out. Guys, let's see if we can actually get a quality trade set up here. And if so, I'll go ahead and enter in. If not, and I don't feel comfortable, of course, I'm going to hold off just so you guys can see that. But let's look back over here. A strong level of support on this could be at an area here. This is where I like to draw these on the chart. This is where we saw a bounce. So let's go back over here and say, do we have movement to the downside? Well, yeah, I actually think we could see some movement to the downside. And is this another strong bearish candle? Yeah, you know what? Guys, I like this. I'm actually going to enter in right now. Order filled, you guys can hear in the back. This is probably going to be a really quick trade. Nothing too crazy on this. Even if I can pull out a couple $100, I wouldn't be upset with this at all. But if we get anywhere near this green line down here, I just want to look at closing that out, because that's where the level of support was. You guys can keep an eye on this actually up here. This is going to be the profit and loss on these accounts trading with these contracts right now, just so I can see about pulling out a live video here. But there's $500. I don't want to get anything too crazy. I think if I were to close this out for, like, let's say $600 to $700, I'd be really happy with this. And then I'll just call it a day. That's it. I'll then shut the computer down, come back tomorrow, and then just do the same thing over and over again. Guys, something I do too is, try to just go for just 1 to 2 maybe quality trades in a day. And that's it. There you go. 500, 600, 700. You guys can see it. $700. Done. $700 just like that, and done for the day. I'm not going to get any greedier at all. I am super happy with that. That is how we enter the trades. Get in, get out, take your money, and be done with the day. That's all you have to do. Did it hit the very bottom here? No. But guys, can you ask yourself this? $600 to $700. Can you do an analysis like this? How long has this video been going? 8 minutes. Guys, I literally just sat down here on my computer. I don't know if you realize this. There you go. Nice little dip down even further. Great. Could have you held it longer and made more money, maybe 1,000 plus? Sure. That's okay. I'm not in here for teaching you guys that. I want to be here to say, wait for quality trade setups. Make sure all your metrics are together. Get in, get out, and just go on with your day and have some fun. This is what trading is meant to be. Spend the least amount of time on your computer to make the most amount of money profitable, and that is how you're going to be successful. Guys, if you're still on here, please do yourself a favor. This is so much fun. These metrics in the description, completely available for life. You will never pay monthly fees or upgrades for these indicators ever. Every upgrade I give, I will give out completely for free. We're on version 5. Everyone since version 1 has never paid for upgrades on this. If you guys want to join the live trading stream that is literally using these metrics and showing setups like I just did every Tuesday and Thursday, you want to go over here and do subscribe on this area and join so many members that have already started to take money out of the market. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. God bless. Have a great day.